According to NBC News, NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine warned about an asteroid hitting the Earth at the 2019 Planetary Defense Conference on Monday in Washington, D.C. Going further, he enumerated that the ultimate goal is to save the only planet known to support human existence, Earth. The giggle factor, known as the tendency for people to ignore problems because they seem unlikely to occur or are far off in the future, has prevented governments from taking meteor impact preparations seriously.
It's headed directly at Earth, and it really likely will hit.
How big is this thing? Could it destroy someone's house? Is that possible?
Welcome to Tech Revolution. In today's video, we'll be talking about the severe warning that NASA chief gave about an asteroid hitting Earth. An asteroid is a natural object or body that revolves around the sun. Rock, metals, and carbon gases make up the majority of asteroids. Ceres was the first asteroid discovered. Its diameter is roughly 945 kilometers, and Giuseppe Piazzi unintentionally discovered it in Sicily in 1801. Most asteroids revolve between Mars and Jupiter in the belt, although several are visible passing very close to Earth. Humans can now launch rovers into space to study the planets and watch asteroids more carefully from Earth, all thanks to technological advancement. Over 1,000 of the nearly 15,000 asteroids observed from Earth are bigger than 1 kilometer. While it may appear that the planet has largely been spared the damage, Earth has been struck by large meteorites 3 times in the past 10 years, including the Tunguska event in 1908 in remote Siberia and an impact reported in Brazil in 1930. The latter event is said to have had a blast so strong that it overturned a man sitting in his chair 40 miles from the impact zone. These examples show the destruction that asteroids can have. While the odds of this asteroid hitting Earth are very low, it's important to note that it's not impossible. Jim Bridenstine, in his statement, said that he wished he could say that these incidents are extraordinarily different, but he can't. Bridenstine was appointed to lead the agency by President Donald Trump in September of 2017. He explained that these occurrences are not uncommon. They happen, but it's now our responsibility to guarantee that we identify, locate, and track any near-Earth object that might pose a hazard to the planet. After the Tunguska incident in 1908, the meteor that burned across the southern Ural mountain range in February of 2013 was the most incredible meteor strike ever observed. The shock wave from the explosion, which was thought to be as powerful as 20 Hiroshima atomic bombs, injured more than 1,600 people. According to estimates, those incidents occur every 60 years, but Bridenstine affirms that they happened about 3 times in the past 100 years. That way of thinking implies that a similar occurrence to the Chelyabinsk event might occur in our lifetime. Planetary defense, according to Bridenstine, is just as crucial as other NASA goals, such as putting people on the moon. He confirmed that 90% of asteroids nearby that are about 459 feet or larger and have the potential to cause severe damage are being tracked and detected by NASA. In 2018, the White House released an action plan that assigned NASA to detect, track, and characterize 90% of near-Earth objects with a diameter of 140 meters, around 460 feet. However, Bridenstine acknowledged that NASA still had a long way to go before achieving that objective. He remarked that NASA was far from the goal and that there was a need for more partnerships globally to support the effort to prevent the threat. It was their request to acquire more accurate data. There's a need for more systems on Earth that can find and track these objects. NASA also wants to be able to capture all that data in a single operating system. In 2019, NASA awarded a contract to Elon Musk's SpaceX to see the company provide launch services for the agency's Double Asteroid Redirection Test DART mission. The $69 million mission was launched in 2021, aiming to test the Earth's capability of deflecting an asteroid by colliding with a spacecraft at high speed. This year, one of the closest asteroid collisions will look like a delivery truck-sized object passing within 10 times the orbital distance of most communication satellites. According to NASA, a recent discovery by the asteroids will pass 2,200 miles, 3,600 kilometers, above the southernmost point of South America. There would be no danger because it cannot strike the Earth, according to NASA. The scientists explained that even if it were much closer, most of it would burn up in the atmosphere, with larger fragments perhaps falling as meteorites. But despite the small number of sightings, it could nevertheless foresee that the asteroid would come very close to Earth. In reality, this is among the closest reported approaches of a known near-Earth asteroid. The size of the asteroid 2023 BU is estimated to range from 11 feet, 3.5 meters, to to 28 feet, 8.5 meters. The same amateur astronomer in Crimea, Gennady Borisov, who discovered an interstellar comet in 2019, observed it first. Numerous observations were made over a few days by astronomers worldwide, allowing them to fine-tune the asteroid's course. NASA has said that the Earth's gravity will significantly alter that route as it passes. That there would be a transition altering an oval orbit with a 425 duration, rather than a revolving around the Sun every 359 days. The United States National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, conducted subsequent research on an asteroid that was accidentally discovered in October of 2022, and that was later published in the peer-reviewed journal Astronomy and Astrophysics. The asteroid was about the size of 2 American football fields. The main belt asteroid 10920 1998 BS1 is located between Mars and Jupiter and was first discovered by astronomers 25 years ago. The images were taken using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope in connection with the Mid-Infrared Instrument (MIRI). Thomas Mueller, an astronomer at the Max Planck Institute for Extraterrestrial Physics in Germany, reported that based on the MIRI calibration observations, it was strange that they found a small asteroid, surprisingly, saying that the measurements were among the first MIRI measurements aimed at targeting the ecliptic plane. Their research indicates that this instrument will be able to find a lot of asteroids and objects. The object is thought to be the tiniest asteroid that the James Webb Telescope has ever seen. The asteroid is quite far away and does not appear to be a threat to Earth, but NASA's view of the solar system as a whole is greatly affected by this discovery. Currently, scientists can produce useful models for forecasting the occurrence of tiny asteroids. Minor asteroids have, however, typically been researched less thoroughly than their larger counterparts due to their smaller size. Astronomers can view asteroids under 1 kilometer in length more carefully thanks to this novel application of James Webb's MIRI. Brian Haller, a Webb support scientist at the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore, Maryland, expressed that the MIRI creation is an excellent tool and has demonstrated its ability to accidentally discover an asteroid of previously undetectable size in the central belt. Going further, the recurrence of these observations is currently on schedule, and there are expectations of seeing further asteroid interlopers in those photos. In November 2022, 3 near-Earth asteroids that were hiding out in the sun's glare were discovered by astronomers. The largest potentially dangerous object that has posed a risk to Earth in the last 8 years was found to be one of the asteroids. These asteroids are part of a class that can be discovered near the orbits of Earth and Venus, but due to the sun's brightness, it blocks telescope observations of them, and it's very challenging to observe them. Astronomers jumped to observe during the brief twilight window to avoid the sun's glare. A global team discovered the space rocks using the dark energy camera on the Victor M. Blanco 4-meter telescope, which was done at the Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory in Chile. Their research was released in astronomical journals. The best way to reduce harm is to identify any potential threats as soon as possible. NASA is currently developing a spaceship the size of a refrigerator that can stop asteroids from striking the planet. In 2024, a test using a small, harmless asteroid is anticipated. This mission marks the debut of an asteroid deflection method for planetary defense. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test DART struck the asteroid to change its orbit using a technique known as a kinetic impactor. A threat asteroid's speed may be altered by the hit by a negligible portion of its total velocity. Still, by acting well in advance of the anticipated impact, this modest nudge will eventually add to a significant alteration in the asteroid's trajectory away from Earth. And that brings us to the end of the video. Remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more interesting videos. See you next time.